Learn once and for all how to fix simple cable unscrew. You know that cable you need to attach to wood to finish job, but no use wrapping, tightening, twisting screw. It insists on staying loose? Well, I've been through that too. Time comes when you realize it's not force, it's way. And what do? Improvise. That's exactly what I did. Discovered simple adjustment made instantly that really locks cable.